Good morning to one and all. My name is Milind Tikde and my group members are Shubham Evle, Masood Syed, Moin Khan and Ashish Jha. And today we are going to discuss about non-destructive testing method.
Is a testing and analysis technique used by industries to evaluate properties of a material, component and structures. What is NDT? It is a wide group of technique analysis used in science and technology industries to evaluate. Why should we use NDT? It helps us for saving and it is also efficient, accurate and safe method. It allows us the material or object being examined to survive examination unharmed, thus saving money and resources. It also appeals because most all NDT technique except radiology are harmless to people, and it is also efficient and allows us through relatively quick elevation of assets, and it is also accurate and been proven predictable with both qualities. Once it comes to maintenance procedure, meant it assure safety, personal and longevity equipment.
Hello, I am Syed Masood. I will explain the types of NDT method: visual testing, ultrasonic testing, radiography testing, eddy current electromagnetic testing, magnetic particle testing, dye penetrate testing. Visual testing. For thousands of years, craftsmen have used their eyes to determine the quality of product they made. In the sense, this is still the case with visual inspection. This method involves the visual observation of the surface of an object to evaluate the presence of surface discontinuities such as corrosion, misalignment of parts, physical damage and cracks. Visual testing can be done by looking at a test piece directly or by using optical instruments such as a magnifying glass, mirror, bioscope or computer assisted viewing system. VT can be applied to inspect casting, forgiving, machine components and welds, and it is used for all branches of industry. Advantages of inspection techniques: inexpensive, little to no equipment needed, easy to train, portable. Disadvantages of visual inspection techniques: surface induction only, generally only able to detect large faults, possible misinterpretation of faults. Ultrasonic testing. Ultrasonic testing is a family of non-destructive techniques based on propagation of ultrasonic waves in the object or material tested. In most common UT application, very short ultrasonic pulse waves with center frequencies ranges from 0.1 to 15 MHz and occasionally up to a 50 MHz are transmitted into a material to detect internal faults or to characterize characteristics. A common example of ultrasonic thickness measurement, which tests the thickness of our test object, for example to monitor the pipework corrosion. Advantages of ultrasonic testing techniques: portability, consistent, defect surface and subsurface defect, only limited access needed. Disadvantages of ultrasonic testing techniques: training is most expensive than the other method, more expensive than other method, and defect to use on thin material.
I am Ashish Jha. Radiographic testing. Radiographic testing is a non-destructive testing method which uses either X-rays or gamma rays to examine the internal structure of manufactured components, identifying any flaws or defects. Radiographic and ultrasonic weld inspection are the two most common methods of non-destructive testing used to detect discontinuities within the internal structure of welds. We shall briefly examine these two methods of non-destructive testing of NDT. There are two different radioactive sources available for industrial use, X-rays and gamma rays. Advantages: both surface and internal discontinuities can be detected. Significant variation in composition can be detected. It has a very few material limitation. Disadvantages: hazardous to operators and other nearby personnel. High degree of skill and experience is required for exposure and interpretation. The equipment is relatively expensive. Eddy current. Eddy current carry is a non-destructive testing technology that provides the ability to electronically drive multiple eddy current coils. Eddy current, also called Falklands currents, which are placed side by side in the same probe assembly. Each individual eddy current coil in the probe produces a signal relative to the phase and amplitude of the structure below it. Eddy current flow is in closed loops within conductors in planes perpendicular to the magnetic fields. Eddy current are named so because the current look like eddies or whirlpools. This data is referred an encoded position and time and represented graphically as a C-scan image. Advantages: sensitivity of surface defects, can detect through several layers, can detect through surface coating. Disadvantages of eddy current: very susceptible to magnetic permeability changes, only effective on conductive materials, not suitable for large areas or complex geometries.
Hello, I am Moin Khan and I will explain about magnetic particle testing. Magnetic particle testing is a non-destructive testing process for detecting surface and shallow subsurface discontinuities in ferromagnetic materials such as iron, nickel, cobalt, and some of their alloys. The process puts a magnetic field into the part. The piece can be magnetized by direct or indirect magnetization. Direct magnetization occurs when the electric current is passed through the test object and a magnetic field is formed in the material. Indirect magnetization occurs when no electric current is passed through the test object, but a magnetic field is applied from a outside source. The magnetic lines of source are perpendicular to the direction of electric current, which may be either alternating current or some form of direct current. Advantages and disadvantages of magnetic particle testing. Advantages: it is quick and relatively uncomplicated. It gives immediate indications of defects. The method can be adapted for site or workshop uses. Disadvantages: the method cannot be used if a thick paint coating is present. It is messy. Most methods need a supply of electricity.
Hello, I am Shubham Umakant Evle. Dye penitent test used to detect the surface crack or defect. One of the most widely used NDT method. It is used for surface detection of thronging, casting, weld elements. Process for DPT: first cleaning, second dry of surface, third application of penitent, fourth remove of excess of penitent. Fifth, application of developer. This is image of DPT testing. Advantage of DPT. This method has high sensitivity to smaller surface discontinuities. Larger area and larger volume of a part material can be inspected repeatedly and low cost. Limitations of DPT. Only surface breaking defect can be detected. Chemical handling and property disclosure is required. Applications. NDT is used in a variety of settings that covers a wide range of industrial activity with new NDT method and application bringing continuously deploy. Thank you.